I do want to bring in attorney Pat Brady. He's also a former federal prosecutor. Pat, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Pat, I want to get your reaction to what we just heard, and specifically as well, police saying basically that there is more to this, that once the details in the case come to light, that people will see they were justified. What do you make of all of this?
Well, first of all, I want to express my condolences for his loss. It's a horrible thing. Just listening to him right there, and I've read other press accounts, it sounds like, it's an identity theft case in a small town. A search warrant, which is basically, a way around the Fourth Amendment to get your protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. And there's a process for it, but it's a pretty drastic remedy. Why couldn't this have been worked out that someone can go in and just have these documents be turned over? But there is a process, and hopefully the process was followed here. That meaning that law enforcement submitted a application with an affidavit with the facts that justified the search warrant. And I hope immediately the defense attorneys are in there now looking at this warrant and seeing if it was valid. Maybe there are facts that come out in that affidavit that's attached to the search warrant that justify what they did. But if you just listen to it right now, you're like, wow, seems to me like this should have been something worked out before they actually went to someone's door and executed a search warrant, particularly with a 98-year-old woman, and considering that if there's a First Amendment considerations, although that may not be enough to get over a search warrant, it's the things you need to think about when you're actually asking the judge to do, which is a very aggressive act of law enforcement.
And we are out of time, but in about 10 seconds, legally speaking, do you think the police can be held responsible for this woman's death?
I don't have enough facts to make that determination. Probably likely not, but I do want to see the affidavit and I would see what they did. But this, on the face of it, PR-wise, is a disaster. And hopefully what they did was legal and justified. But if not, I'm sure the Attorney General of the state of Kansas will probably step in.
Okay, Pat Brady, I wish we had more time, but I appreciate the perspective. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.